Hey everybody, Tamika Maddox here, and I'm happy and honored to be a part of this corporate recognition segment highlighting women. And as a woman myself and an Army two-time combat veteran, I know what it's like to literally hand over your calendar and have your time dictated for you. It's been an extreme blessing to have served, but an even bigger one to have joined this amazing company that's allowed me to still serve, just in a different capacity, but also the flexibility and the freedom to dictate what my calendar looks like while still getting paid extremely well to do so. Now, during this segment, we celebrate the phenomenal impact that women have in business. You see, women, they just bring a unique blend of resilience, creativity, and leadership that drives not only their success, but also the success of those around them. And in a world where business landscapes are constantly evolving, women continue to break barriers, shatter glass ceilings, and redefine what it means to lead. They are the visionaries who turn challenges into opportunities, the nurturers who build strong, lasting relationships, and the strategists who know how to get results. And our industry in particular has provided a platform for countless amounts of women to rise, empower themselves and others, and create a legacy of financial independence and freedom. And as we highlight the top women in recruiting and production today, we recognize these remarkable leaders who have demonstrated what it means to lead with impact. And these